So we've now relocated to QBE stand, being joined by Matt Crane. So, Matt, thank you for taking some time to talk to us. So, I guess a good place to start. What have you guys been up to here?
Well, first and foremost, the reason why I kind of love AirMic is it brings three things together. It brings us an insurer, it brings the broker, the intermediary through, but also most importantly for me, is where we actually get to meet some of our larger clients and actually talk to them about what's keeping them awake at night, how we're performing, how they're performing, and whether there's anything that we can work together to achieve what they want to achieve with their businesses.
Okay.
It's a great format to do that.
So what's the insomnia for them then?
There's lots of things. I mean, lots of conversation I've been having with them is about relevance. And so when I've been talking about relevance is, as an insurance industry, I think we've become less relevant to our clients. So if you look at what we insure, if you look at their top 50 risks, insurance probably only covers, out of 50 risks, probably 20 of them, and some of those not particularly well. So what I hear from clients is how can we challenge the status quo and actually become more relevant to the risks that they have today.
Okay. And just from a general in-conference, so you've enjoyed this conference, you're finding it useful?
Yeah, listen, Liverpool's a great city. Yeah, so I always enjoy coming up here. It's a great ambience, great atmosphere. The conference hall, I mean, you look at the buzz around, it's all going on. So the atmosphere is great. So it actually gets your mind in the right place too. So I think it's a really, really good conference, something that I'm really happy to support. Listen, I'm lucky because I get to go to Amray, I do here, RIMS, so I see a lot of conferences, and for me, personally, this is one of the best ones.
Oh, that's great. I mean, certainly you see the investment on things like the workshops and that. I mean, It felt like there was a really good, diverse program this year.
Absolutely, and I really like the fact that some of the topics that were in there were not, I don't think those topics would have been discussed 4 or 5 years ago.
Yeah.
So people are thinking outside of the traditional kind of sort of workshop type environment.
Which in fact you did, didn't you? Because yours wasn't.
Yeah, we did a workshop on CSR, which was brilliant. Had a really good turnout, and some of the feedback we got, and actually really what's important, it's on every board's agenda. So mental well-being, their people, their staff, their clients, it is actually on the board for these companies. So very relevant and topical for today.
Oh, great. Matt, as always, thank you for taking the time to talk to us. Always
Absolute
appreciate
pleasure.
it.
Thanks.
Thank
See
you.
you soon. Thanks.
Thank you.